to specify class sizes, for example, and it sounds like they can be adjusted. We could adjust that annually as long as it was passed annually, formally changed annually. I mean, factors change.
Sure, absolutely. What you need to do, anything that you're going, any change in policy that you're going to make that's going to apply to a particular application period needs to be adopted before February 1st. Now, districts often, particularly a lot of districts will put in their policies, the district may do this. And then each year the board will decide if it's going to do it, you know, how it's going to approach that. But the students really, parents really should know before the application period the criteria that are going to be used. Most districts don't, nor does yours actually put in their open enrollment policy their specific class sizes. You know, that's something, you know, certainly that administratively or through the school board you can come up with that, but you need to every year have a criterion that you're going to be using to determine whether you have space.
And did I understand you correctly that the class sizes for open enrollment can actually be less than your overall class sizes?
Well, the law allows districts to use enrollment projections. And so one of the ways that some districts actually do, they use cast forward projections and, you know, go quite a bit out. What a lot of districts tend to do with that, besides just projecting what their enrollment will be in the immediate school year, is they'll allow for that with some play within their per pupil amount. A lot of districts will have ranges, say 18 to 22 students in, say, you know, 5th grade. And they may say, some districts may say, we're only going to fill us to 18. Other districts may say, well, we'll fill to midpoint 20. Others may say, well, you know, we need the funding, we've got the space, our teachers will take them, we'll take open enrollment students up to our maximum. Other districts will set a percent. You know, we'll take students up to a certain percent of our district's class size. So you've got a lot of flexibility with your criteria, so once you establish it, you have no flexibility in following it.
So with respect to SAGE limits, and the SAGE limit now is 18, so we could actually say the open enrollment limit is 16 because we want a cushion between the 16 and the actual SAGE limit.
And you actually that's a very good argument for SAGE, because if you take open enrolled students up to 18 and then you have a student move in, you've got a SAGE problem.
Mm-hmm.
So it's particularly with SAGE, districts will be very careful about reaching that amount, that number. The SAGE is a statutory limit for you. That's a pretty easy one to defend.
We need to let you get on. You're only up.
Okay.
We need one.
However,
That's all right.
I mean, based on this slide, it says, plus actual additional student visit costs for special education services, but no average or prorated cost.
Actual additional means an actual dollar amount specific to that student in addition to what you're already spending. So again, if you have, the easy example is if you have a student who goes into an LD classroom, you already have that LD teacher, you already have that classroom, you don't have any additional cost to meet that student's needs in terms of actual dollar cost. So all you can charge for that student is that basic open enrollment amount. Or again, if you have a shared aid, if your child goes into a classroom with an aid and that aid serves all